Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ASFX, American Scientific Resources Incorporated. I've been tracking this one for a while, and I've been using the 60-minute on it because that shows, I think, better than any other time period what's been going on with the chart. And the same is true for this past week, another good week. And when I extend this 60-minute chart out, you will see what I mean. But just once again, this is the 60-minute chart, meaning each one of these bars you see represents 60 minutes worth of price action. So yeah, this may look like it's multiple months here, but if you look down here, you can see on the scale that it's just only a couple weeks. So let's dig in. This video is not going to be anything groundbreaking or anything like that, but it's going to do a good job of showing that the uptrend continues in the short term and that lower highs continue to be made. So as we extend this out, this is what we're seeing back here on October 23rd. That's when it put in this low here, and then from that point on, it's been an uptrend. You can either take these 2 points to draw the trend line. You could come up here and grab this one and make a trend line like that. But any way you slice it, you can see that these are both uptrend lines. So like I said, since the 23rd of October, all pullbacks have been lower than previous ones, and especially in the short term here, you can see that, I guess just to point this out, if I took this and drew a trend line like that, you can see that short term, medium term, long term are all in uptrends for the time being. And when I say long term, I mean within the context of the 60-minute chart. So keep that in mind. That way, you don't get confused in terms of what's he talking about long term when he's only on the 60-minute. Within the context of the 60-minute, long term, medium term, and short term are all pointing upwards. So now let's scroll back in here a little bit more, and this way hopefully you'll be able to remember where these lines are coming from. But actually, we'll have to go on this time frame. But the next challenge for the chart is going to simply be this orange line right here. That is the 200 period simple moving average. And if you follow charting, you know that this is one of the key moving averages that people will track. And it's pointing down, so it is going to be a resistance. And this will be the one that you'll want to see the price get above, hopefully coming up in this next week. If it doesn't, not the end of the world or anything like that, as you still have these support lines below you. But if the price could do something like this, where it came, kind of bumped off this trend line again, and then shot through and crushed that moving average, that would look pretty bullish and good for the chart, but not required. But overall, the chart continues to head up slowly but surely. Kind of the chatter around has died down a little bit, but I still receive plenty of requests on it, so I know it's still popular. And like I said, the trend is still up in terms of the short term, meaning the 60-minute chart. So like I said, this video wasn't going to be anything huge or fantastic, but I did want to get that pointed out that you're firing on all cylinders on the 60-minute chart, and hopefully this will translate more and more into the daily chart, looking better too. If you do have any other questions, please shoot me a message, and I will do my best to help you out. I'd also encourage you to check out bullmarketnewsletter.net. If you go there and sign up for the newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, which has been getting good reviews, and with your subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, everything from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something there for everybody, and best part is it's all free, so it's definitely worth at least checking out. One more time, this was ASFX. Everybody have a good weekend.